Are you looking? In recent years, hunting slingshots have gained popularity, not only among survivalists, but also hobbyists, small game hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts. With their portability, accuracy, and silent operation, these powerful tools are a great alternative to traditional hunting gear. This guide breaks down the best hunting slingshots on the market, evaluating build quality, shooting power, list number. Slingshot Arborist Throwline Launcher with Trigger. The Slingshot Arborist Throwline Launcher is a highly specialized slingshot designed with precision and range in mind. Although originally built for arborists, many hunters and outdoor professionals have adapted it for its powerful, trigger-based launch system. Its unique design allows users to send lines or projectiles with excellent control and force. The inclusion of a trigger improves accuracy and safety, especially over long distances. What stands out is its high-velocity launch capacity, ideal for specialized hunting or survival scenarios. The build quality is robust, featuring durable materials designed for Scout XT Slingshot with target, clay ammo, and bands for professional hunting. The Scout XT is a versatile, high-performance slingshot that's a favorite among professional and recreational hunters alike. Crafted from durable polycarbonate, the frame is rugged yet comfortable to hold for extended sessions. It comes fully loaded with target sheets, clay ammo, and extra bands, making it a fantastic value package for beginners and pros. Its ergonomic design and interchangeable band slots make it adaptable to various shooting styles and hand sizes. The Scout XT is also compatible with flat or tubular bands, giving you flexibility depending on your hunting needs. Whether you're practicing or aiming for small Barnett King Rat Slingshot's Havoc Hunter Slingshot includes XX tapered speed bands. Barnett's King Rat Slingshot, part of the Havoc Hunter line, brings serious firepower to the field. Designed for hunting, this slingshot features XX tapered speed bands that significantly boost shot velocity. The contoured soft touch grip ensures comfort and control, even during long shooting sessions. Its wrist brace is a major plus, providing extra stability for high-powered shots. Built with durability in mind, it's ideal for repeated outdoor use. The integrated shooting guide helps with accuracy, making it suitable even for intermediate-level users. Number 4. Daisy B52 Slingshot. The Daisy B52 is a classic, no-frills slingshot, trusted by generations of outdoor enthusiasts. It features a flexible, molded grip and adjustable wrist support, giving you balance and comfort in every shot. The wide fork design allows for consistent band positioning, which enhances accuracy. Its latex rubber tubing delivers strong force, suitable for small game hunting or target practice. Though more budget-friendly, it doesn't compromise on quality. The Daisy B52 is perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a reliable backup slingshot for the field. Solid wooden slingshot toys with classic construction hunting slingshot for catapult game. This solid wooden slingshot blends nostalgia and functionality. While marketed as a toy, it boasts a traditional Y-shaped wooden frame and elastic rubber band capable of moderate power shots. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to carry in a backpack or pocket. Best suited for casual use or younger outdoor enthusiasts. It's ideal for light hunting tasks or recreational shooting. Don't be fooled by its old-school appearance. This wooden slingshot can still pack a punch with the right ammo.